How to hide reposts on TikTok. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your TikTok application and it will lead you here to your homepage, right? Now, what you're gonna do to be able to hide your reposts on TikTok is on the bottom part you'll see five different options. I want you to go here to your profile. Now, after going here to your profile, it will lead you here where you can see your feed area and of course your repost area here. And as you can see, everyone can actually see that one. So these are the stuff that cannot be seen by anyone. As you can see, there is a private icon there, as you can see that one. And then to be able to hide your repost is here on the upper right, you'll see three dash lines. Click on the three dash lines and go to settings and privacy. Now under settings and privacy, go here to privacy. And here in interactions, you can actually, others can actually see the repost options there. But for others, as you can see, I do not have it, even though I have updated my application. The next thing that you're gonna do is to just set your account to private. Now, once you set your account to private, only users you approve can follow you or watch your videos, including your reposts. So if you private that, your repost videos or reposted TikToks are also private, set on private, which they cannot also see, including your posts. And basically, that's it. And that is how you hide reposts on TikTok. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.